Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is March 21st, 2012. We had a very interesting day today in the grains. Yesterday, as I presented to you guys, well, we had this pullback. Today, we had corn and wheat follow, but beans ended up catching some strength. Beans were down pretty hard yesterday. Beans were up 10 cents today. So still very strong in the beans, still finding some support yet for beans. But corn dropping back about 5.5 cents. Wheat down about 6.25 cents today. A very interesting trade. When we saw corn come down, start taking out the overnight lows, we had beans going up and take out the overnight highs. So we had spreaders in there buying beans, selling corn. The volume was relatively light today, and these spreaders were able to take advantage of that. So that was kind of the reason, I think the biggest reason on what we had seen as far as corn and beans and why they've gone in separate directions. The question is going to be, as we get in here tomorrow, are we going to see further selling for corn? We've got better support, about 5 to 6 cents below where we're at. Beans, we really have to hold last week's lows. So that May contract needs to hold 13.30. We break on below that, these charts are going to start rolling over, so that's a very negative move if we end up taking that out. So continue watching that. As far as wheat's going to follow along. Some of the outside markets today, the dollar up about 9 cents. Very choppy trade. Lower at one point. It did finish higher. We're up 9, putting that at 79.92. So we're hovering right around that $80 area. As far as crude oil, yesterday a significant break, down about $2.50. We're finding about $1 back today, so we're a little bit higher, sitting near 107. We've really set up a range in the crude. You get up into that 108 area, you've got good resistance, and down below us at 106, you've got good support. That's been the range that we've been in. The market seems happy right there, and we'll see what happens there. Still talk of China slowing down their economy. By doing that, they have they've increased gas prices about 7%. That story came out yesterday, but still talked about here today, and something that the market still is watching. As far as the stock market, back and forth of unchanged, currently down about 36 points, so taking a little bit of a break here today, but really overall kind of hovering right around unchanged today. And the metals, $5 higher in gold, 39 cents higher in silver. After a big sell-off yesterday, we are finding a little bit of a bounce back, but overall, those trends have changed. In the livestock, fat cattle finding a little bit of a bounce, up about 40 cents in the Aprils. We did talk cash trade at 128 in Nebraska. We're looking at is a little bit higher, I guess, than what the expectation was for the week. So we're looking maybe $1 higher. So I think the trade was not ready for that, and we did find a little bit of bounce from it. We'll see if we can find further strength, but right now we're still looking at rallies as selling opportunities yet. In the hogs climbing about 12 cents. We have seen quite a decline here for hogs. We've seen 4 days now of lower cash trade or lower pork trade, and that's still concerning. So still a concern for the markets. We're still trying to find some good support in here, but the hogs, we typically do see a seasonal bottom come in here, right? Maybe another week to week and a half yet as we approach April. So continue looking for that as well. Give us a call over here, 800-262-7538, and check us out online, allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys had a great day today, and have a great rest of the week.